flames not going in the back. The tanks from the back, you see in the back, oxygen and settling probably for torch for welding.
I'm surprised he hasn't tried to shut down a couple of lanes of traffic.
Very slow in responding. You're right, man. I think it's slow, considering all that. You seen the aluminum melt, huh?
Yeah, look at that ladder. It's like melted at the top.
You're a fire truck.
I guess they decided to let it burn out too.
Yeah.
Well, there's a police officer over there.
You know what I think it is? They're probably out there taking a break. They're probably out of park running a man's job and doing some job.
Oh, it's going.
Out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is going out. Yeah, the white smoke means it's being put out.
That's just in the front. Look at the dripping metal. This is not just close to being done. Look at the bumpers melting away. Oh shit! Excuse my French.
That was the gas tank. That was the gas tank.
I felt it in my legs.
That was a
Yeah, somebody should have given him the memo.
That was the gas tank.
They can't get out till the 8th.
That was crazy.
That was one explosion, man.
And the other freeway's still open.
See, I do not think they should have gas trucks driving by an open flint, uncontrolled burn.
It's moved into the back.
Yeah.
I've never seen a car burn like this before.
Look, you can see the toolbox is starting to smoke. The tool case. Look, and now new flames.
This poor guy, his whole life is up in
That car
Yeah.
is going to ignite next in the back.
Yeah, it is.
Freaking getting hot over there.
Yeah, you can see it smoking.
He's got. There's a fire.
Yeah, that's what I was
department
saying.
around here, man.
Even going up the off ramp, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would have came right here.
That's what I thought they were
That response time for the police.
They're more concerned about getting tickets.
Oh man!
There's another tire on.
Yeah,
Man!
you can feel it.
Front end dropping in the cab. Got
Now when those tanks go, it'll probably be a little bit more.
Wait for the gas tank.
Yeah.
Gas tank already went off. Man. Shit, who knows what that was? Wow.
Yeah.
It sounded like a tire.
I think that over there.
Yeah.
Look at that. Now the
Now
car
the
going
back.
back. Now it's going to hit those tanks. See them tanks?
Yep.
Them freaking tanks will launch, man. Those tanks
back there.
Yep.
those things will launch.
And they still got the traffic going.
Those
That is not. I would not want to drive. I would just stop.
The tank in the back, man.
freaking tanks are going to be missiles, man. They go off.
They're gonna hit that bridge. The bridge is done.
I just hope they don't do like a rocket ship and come this way.
Yeah.
I'm standing behind you.
And I'm standing behind you.
You got gloves on. You're protected.
Yeah.
Shit, that guy's totally screwed.
Yeah, that's
They're coming over there, and so they're going to make it yell. Yeah,
Can't get to it.
they got to go all the way to the A and turn around.
Shit, they could have blocked off the freeway. The cops
No
should have-
shit.
Look, the other side's more blocked off
Big
right
truck
now.
down right here, man. Look at the
Look at
wheel
the
in front.
Give a
Yeah.
shit. It's not a Mercedes, you know? Yeah, those are fucking. Come on in here.
There they are.
Fire truck.
There they are.
They finally, now they block off traffic. Woo! There's another truck coming that way.
Look at the meter person. The meter person stopped. They don't want to watch the action, man. They're gonna do that.
Everybody loves a good car fire.
Yeah.
Sad.
Car, that's
Sadly. And those are his famous last words.
a loaded truck, man.
And the cavalry has arrived. Is it in time to save the tanks? Stay classy, San Diego.
Party over.
Back to work. It ain't over yet. Look, they're even contemplating walking away. It's like, forget-
Standing there.
yeah, they're braver than I am.
Yeah, they see it, man. These guys,
Yeah.
the guys are crazy.
Oh, fuck yeah. Like, I walk out of my apartment, I live right there, and I see this black smoke, and I saw a VW on the bridge, and I'm thinking, is she on fire? Yeah, watch that gas, all right.
Yeah, man, the guys
Look, even he's taking some video. Yeah.
Oh, you missed all the action, brother. It sounded like it. That truck was
Man, that was
melting,
close.
man. That freaking truck was melting.
Another 5 minutes, we probably would have seen a lot more explosions. That's for sure. It's whatever those two first explosions were with nothing comparison to what could have happened.
Oh, you see more than two?
Yeah, there was two. There was the first one, it wasn't that bad, and that second one, you could feel it a lot more than you could feel the first one. Hate to drive by with your window open. Like, what the fuck?
Guy's got them gloves on, man. Oh, that thing's gonna go on.
Hot as hell. Saw the magnesium burning.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
That's what the right was?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
It's in the engine block.
Any idea what kind of truck it is?
It looked to be like one of those old Ford or Chevys. Probably like
Handyman
mid 90s.
He's a handyman
It's a
truck.
welder. He's a welder, man. Yeah, he's a welder. You know, that's what that was, that magnesium.
Yeah.
It was like a bright light. Wow.
Keyword was. I wonder what started it. This is the third. I saw a truck went over the side down there on Boundary. That was crazy. It was on the side of the freeway. That was early one morning. When I was driving home and I saw another car on the other side on fire.
Which building are you in?
Oh, I'm over here on Boundary.
Oh,
Yeah.
you gonna have smoke inside, you think?
No. I'm a little bit away. Good stuff. Have a great day, you guys.